In this video, we will learn how to solve the system of linear equations using the elimination method. Let us start with this example. 2x plus y equal 5. We have also 3x minus y equal 5. So we can solve this question by adding these two equations. So I will have to simply put a line and I have to add these two equations. Why? Because if you notice here, we have positive y and we have negative y. So the coefficient for the y is 1 and the coefficient for this y also is minus 1. So we can cancel them out. So we will be left with 2x plus 3x. So 2x plus 3x is simply 5x equal. Now I have to add these two numbers, which are 5 and 5, which equals 10. Now I have to divide both sides by 5. These will cancel out, leaving x, so x equal 2. Next step, I have to take the value of this x and plug it in one of these equations. So let us take the first equation. So we will start with 2 times x, which is 2 again. Okay, so we will have to write 2 plus y equal 5. 2 times 2 is 4 plus y equal 5. Now I can simply subtract 4 from both sides. These will cancel out. So leaving y to the left hand side of the equation, we have 5 minus 4, which equals 1. So the solution for this system of linear equations is 2, 1. Now it is your turn. Try to solve this question, then check your answer. The first equation is 5x plus 3y equals 12, and the second one is 2x minus 3y equal 9. So using the elimination method, we can add these two equations. So you will notice here the coefficient of the variable y is positive 3, and here we have a negative 3. So adding these two equations, we can cancel them out. We will be left with 5x plus 2x, which equals 7x. And this is equal 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 is 21. Now I can simply divide both sides by 7. These will cancel out, leaving x behind, so x equal 3. Next, I should take this value of x and plug it in one of these equations. Let us choose the first one. So 5x. Now instead of writing x, I will replace it with 3 plus 3y equal 12. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3y equal 12. Now I have to minus 15 from both sides. These will cancel out. So we have 3y equal negative 3. Dividing 3 for both sides, these will cancel out. So y equal negative 1. So the solution is 3 and negative 1.